Good afternoon, I am Mohit from RevOS, and today here we are for the launch of our new charging point product called the Bolt Charging Point. As you can see in the picture, India's most affordable charging point. We have been working at this charging point since last October after the first wave of Corona subsided, and until now we have deployed more than 2,000 charging points in India. And what makes this charger really unique is it's affordable, it works without internet, it just works on Bluetooth, and it can be shared. The most important part that we would like to emphasize upon is that this charger is shared. Why? Because as an EV owner, you are anyway putting your charger in some socket. So what this essentially is a smart socket. It will tell you how much you are spending on electricity to drive your electric vehicle, and when you are not using the charger, you can share it with others and become a part of the solution and expand the network. You can set your own rates. Anyone who's looking for a charge can come here, locate your charger on the app, on the map, navigate there, scan, pay, charge, just like UPI. It's very simple. And the business model that we see going ahead, our plan is essentially to put at least like millions of these chargers going ahead, because India is going to see millions of EVs coming in the future, and every EV is going to need at least one smart charging point. So these are going to be present in millions. We are just getting started. And shared is because Indians are familiar with this business model. If you remember, in the 90s or in the early 2000s, there was the PCO shops which were put at every kirana shop, every mom and pop store that was there, and those people really took the charge and set up the infrastructure that was required for PCO boxes. So same model we are following here. Anyone can buy this charger, set it up like a PCO box. They can come to your place, pay some money and charge. Just like you used to pay for your calls, you can pay for your charge and find them everywhere. Peer-to-peer means friend to friend, essentially. So as a friend, if I have it in my house and you have it in your house, so if you look at it, once you have an EV, where do you go if you take your vehicle? You either go to your workplace, your friend place, or in your social circle. So 99.9% of the times you go to your social circle. I don't think anyone was ever excited in their life when they thought about, hey, today I'm gonna go fill petrol. So it's always a hassle, right? So imagine all these charging points are present in your house, in your workplace, and wherever you visit your friends and families, right? If they are present there, then you don't have to really worry about. You can just visit your social circle while you're having a nice time with your loved ones. Your vehicle is getting charged, and you don't have to worry. You don't have to ever worry about going to a petrol station, because your vehicles will get charged where they'll be parked.
How many charging points are there in the city, and what is the future expansion?
Yeah, so each city is going to be a little bit difficult. We have about 250 plus each in Bangalore and Hyderabad. More than, actually Hyderabad we have even some more, and in India we have about 2,000 plus charging points, and in coming 1 to 2 years we plan to have millions of these. So can't really comment on the scale. We are seeing some really good traction, and we are growing exponentially. So can't even comment on the numbers, but at least a few millions. Thank you so much.
Like no monthly charge, no yearly charge?
No, nothing like that. So if you want to use it on private, if you want to use it for your private charging, there are no charges, no hidden charges, nothing like that, no AMC, nothing required. If you want to put your charger on the peer-to-peer charging network, then we make a small transactional fee on the transaction value. Right now we have kept it still at 0%. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Our first aim is just to get the adoption and do not start charging people right away, so that there is so much friction already, and we don't want to hinder that. We don't want to build on that way.